I saw this on Pinterest. Now I am heading to make it. For that I took a tissue paper roll and one packet of super clay. Actually I don't know how to make it, but I am going to try it. My cat is here to investigate. Is everything okay? Also guys, I want a suggestion from you. I am not an Indian, but I want to do voiceover in Hindi because I think most of the Asian people understand Hindi well. So that's why I want to voiceover in Hindi. Just give me suggestions, should I do it or not. I made a mistake here. यहाँ पे एक hole होना चाहिए था and I forgot to do it. Somehow I managed the hole. Now I'm adding some little details here. I will be adding some two leaves and a bunny on the branch. Also you guys can suggest me आप कैसा video देखना चाहोगे. You can suggest me, you can tell me.